Welcome back, Kingdom, to What's in the Box special. This one is a special. Do you like my t-shirt? Kwame Nkrumah. Shout out Foz, Lebrim London. Every single time. Okay, so let's get into this. The brown box has arrived. The brown box has arrived. What do you think is in this box, guys? I come with props. I come ready. Let's have a look. Okay. So we gotta go in. You know, there's a lot of tape on this box. It shows that the box is well protected. Okay, let's go around the box. Let's go around the box. Let's make sure that we're really, getting into this. Okay. Okay, guys. Yes, and yes. Can you see the Nike by You? Can you guys see the Nike by You? Can you see it? Cool. Let's take this out the way. Okay. So you should know what this is. If you see the Nike by You, you should know what this is. Saying that Nike by You, there's a lot of Nike by Yous, but this one's a very, very special one. You see, one thing about the community or the scene is a lot of people are not for others. Don't let people disguise the fact that they buy a lot of trainers and they think they're for other people. They're not for other people. They're perpetrating the game. The king has always been for the community. You already know. You already know. Support our women the same way we support our guys. Support the community. Put your hand in your pockets and pay for things. I'm just keeping it mad real with you. Let's get into it. Air Sandy. Let's go. Okay. Yo. It says 1 of 1, you know. Yo. This is the unboxing by the king of trainers of the Nike Air Sandy. Look at that, Kingdom. This is for the YouTube lot. I'm starting to do more YouTube videos now, to be fair. So like, subscribe, share, and all that. Let's go. Air Sandy. I had the world exclusive official unboxing by the Queen herself. And I want to also salute all the other people who got selected by Nike to do one of these special shoes. Especially the ladies, all the queens, I'm not going to mention all the names. I don't want to miss anyone out and then they get upset with me. But all the queens who got to do this, we got to support the women, man, gentlemen. And we got to support them. We can't claim to be heads and we're for the community. And then the minute a guy releases a trainer, everyone's running. Do you get what I mean? When a woman releases a trainer, please, let's support the same way. Let's have the same energy. Let's do the unboxings. Let's do the shout outs. Let's big them up. Let's post them on our stories. Please, let's do it for all the women as well. And these are absolutely beautiful. These are beautiful. You get me? This is so that on the back it's got Rev. And then on the back of this one, it's got Volt. Yeah? So big yourself up, like I keep on saying to you, don't let no one throw any type of talk about I'm not for the community, I'm not for the people, because everyone knows I am. I put my money where my mouth is. A lot of people just talk, they're online chatting right now, nonsense people. But yeah, this is for you and Sandy. These are dope. I really wish I could have bought every pair, but I just want to salute Sandy, Air Sandy. This has been an official King of Trainers special unboxing. And yeah, this is getting rocked. This is autumn season. Look at the colours. Yeah, so big yourselves up again. Salute everybody. Salute like the night people who put this together. And yeah, big yourself up every single time.